Okay, it's my turn now. I hope that through the photos, the speeches that you've heard already, but most importantly, the children's contributions this afternoon, that you've got a real sense of what Birtenshaw is all about. It's all about children having fun and learning in a really lovely environment where they can thrive. As David's already said, our aim is to brighten lives and build futures for children and young people with additional needs and to help them to achieve their aspirations and to become as independent as possible. Those additional needs can often create a barrier to learning, but at Birtenshaw School we see those barriers as opportunities to overcome so that children can learn resilience and achieve the very best outcomes. For one child, that barrier might be the difficulties they have with communication. For another, a sensory processing disorder. For another, a developmental delay or a physical impairment. These issues make learning more challenging, but not impossible. And our job is to understand how those barriers impact children and to ensure that we do all we can to create an environment in which children can thrive. I've been privileged to have been part of the development of Birtenshaw School Merseyside from the very first conversations 4.5 years ago, when it was just a distant idea, and I've loved every minute of it. Through the design and planning stage with Kia and Liverpool City Council, to the muddy site visits with the hard hat and boots, through the various stages of construction with Wilmot Dixon, through the recruitment process for our amazing staff team, and to the discussions with the local authority SEN teams and parents about children who would be placed here. Through all of those conversations, the constant theme has been that we all want excellence for the children who are being and will be supported at this school over the next generation. We have the most fantastic building and facilities as a result of our understanding of what children with additional needs require and our partnership with the City of Liverpool and the numerous people who've been involved in the design and build process of the school, who listened, applied their creative minds to the task and who've invested massively. We have a staff team that's second to none in terms of their skill, dedication to excellence and their commitment to ensure that children achieve their goals. And we have a group of children and their families who are just starting out on a journey at this school, and who knows where that will lead. It's only 9 school weeks since the school opened its doors to this first group of children, and in that 9 weeks, so much has already been achieved. The Department for Education has accepted our application to be on the Section 41 approved list of independent schools, which is amazing for such a short time. As Cathy said, last week we had our first Ofsted inspection and it went really well. So we're looking forward to receiving the report and being able to share that with you all. But it's the children who've achieved the most. All of the children have settled in really well. They're comfortable in their environment, as you can see. They've learned new daily routines. They are all meeting or exceeding the targets that have been set for them to make outstanding progress. And we've seen so many, many positive outcomes, too many to name them all. Some small and some large steps of progress. Learning to use pictures to communicate. Choosing lunch, trying new food, taking a plate and cutlery back to the trolley, learning to swim or even just having the confidence to get into the water. Making marks or matching letters and numbers, as you saw in the pictures at the very beginning. Growing in confidence, making friends, sharing new experiences, enjoying their school life. This is only the beginning, and I'm really excited about the future for this school and for the development of the other services that will come around it. I'm also excited for the stories that we'll be able to tell of the children's progress and achievements as time moves on. But one of the exciting things that's happened came only earlier this week. I had a phone call, and it was a lovely phone call, from Paula, who's sitting on the front row, from the St James's Place Foundation. As other organisations get to know about this school, they also want to invest and to support what we're doing, to contribute further to the children's positive experiences and to their outcomes. So on Monday we received the news that St James's Place Foundation has named Birtenshaw School Merseyside as its Charity of the Year and awarded a grant of £10,000 to buy fixed outdoor play equipment. So at this point, I'd like to thank Paula and to invite Paula to come up to the front to present the cheque and maybe to say a few words if you want to.
I think we chose Birtenshaw School to be the charity of the year just because we were so impressed by what they were hoping to achieve, and when we came, the impression that we got, we did feel that the youngsters were probably a bit of a surprise to the entrance into the school, and we felt that the outdoor play area would be a great facility for them. So hopefully they'll have lots of hours of fun out there, and we hope to be able to...
I'm also here!
I know! We hope to be able to support it more in the future, so thank you very much. Thank you.
Okay, so we've slightly changed the order. So we've now got Phoenix, so we're going to come up and do their puppet show. And just to say at the end, please do stay because there are refreshments. Thank you very much.